Hello friends. So in previous video we have saw that how can we change the dimension of the shape. Now we will see that how can we create a key without using whole option. So first I'm gonna to delete this and ruler also I am gonna to dismiss. Now I'm gonna to zoom in. Okay. Now, what you need to take first, you need to take a slender. 2 minute friends, there are many mails, so I'm gonna do dismiss it. So, yeah, friends, अरे यार friends, there are okay. So, I am gonna to take a slender, okay, and the height, I am gonna to take 60. Okay. Oof. So I think I need a friend. Array it's 60 inches. So I'll go to settings and I'll do millimeters. Okay. And the width length is okay. So now it's so I'm gonna to uh, delete and I'm gonna to add again that slender. Acha. So this is a cylinder. Now the length you need to do 60. Array it's the width, sorry. We need to do it 4. But this need to do 60. Okay. But this is not 4. But this is 4. But this I want 60. Array. I will do it 4 only. Okay. So here we got the slender. Now what you need to do, just you need to change the angle to 90 degree. So it will look like this. Okay. Now after this you will take 3 cylinders. Okay. Not 3 cylinders. What you can do is, see, I'm gonna to tell you a tip. First do like this and okay. So these I'm gonna to duplicate. Okay, for duplicate first I'm gonna to delete this and also I'm gonna to delete this. Now you just control C and control V it 2 times to create 3. Okay, now what you need to do first, create अरे यार friends. अच्छा, so what we need to do is we'll create control V. So I have now 3 copies again. So I'll take one. Now with these two you'll create a 8. Okay. So I am gonna to group it. So how can I group? So all, acha. So these I'm going to control G. So now these are group, I think. No. First, and I'm going to group. So now these are grouped. Okay. See, these are grouped. Now what I need to do is this is become 8. Okay. Now this at the right corner of this 8, I'll put the third, and now I'll select all 3 and group them. So these all are grouped now. Now what we need to do is we need to put this cylinder here at these here after this 3. You get some space between these two cylinders, so there you need to put this small cylinder. Now you'll take 2 more cylinders. Acha, don't take another one. So I'm gonna do uh, okay. Now what we need to do is array friends, 2 minutes only. Why it's not selecting? Acha, 2 minutes. I need to refresh it. But before refreshing, I'll save it so that I do not lose it. So I have saved it. Thank God. So I have refreshed it. Okay. Thank God I have saved it. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to click here. We need to change the height plus width to be very small, and width you can do 4 here. Okay. 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 And what you can do is now what you need to do, you need to change the angle to 90. After doing it 90, do it 90 again, and do like this. But first you need to create one more copy of it. So we got 2. So we need to put like this, and we need to ensure like this. Okay. Acha, acha. And this. But see, first what we are going to do is we are going to have a box, but its color we are going to change to orange. Okay. So like this and like this. Okay. Okay. So what we need to do is first see. Okay. So I'm going to imagine first a rectangle will form. So Acha, 2 minutes. First, we are gonna to change its angle to 90. Array 90. Okay, so we need a patience. So it's a तू ही मेरा से. Okay, friends. Okay, friends. So here is I want accessibility. So here I can't get accessibility. Okay. Ah. Okay. Okay. Now drag it. तू ही मेरा. Okay. Ah. Okay, friends. Uh, 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 okay. Minus 90. Ah, yes. Now I am getting the accessibility. Acha, we don't need that. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll create these two like this, and these, and we'll create it, and okay. Okay. So our key is done. Just he'll control A and control G. Subject is exceeding the size limit. Okay. So what we'll do, shift. Okay. And we're gonna to control. Okay. Okay, friends. So our key is ready. Okay, friends. So our key is ready. So bye, friends. In another video, we'll see circuits. Bye.